Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can set dark mode on your Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app, and once you open your Tinder app, you will need to simply tap in your profile icon. Once you tap in your profile icon, you need to go to your settings option and you need to simply scroll down below to your appearance section. So once you reach your appearance section, you need to tap on it. You will end up having these options. If you press on the light mode, it will have white screen. However, if you tap on the dark mode, it will go in the dark theme. So in this way, you can make your Tinder app into dark mode. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.